Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Altima Bluetooth. First, ensure your Nissan Altima is safely parked with the engine running. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature, making it discoverable to other devices. Then, navigate to the Settings menu on your Altima's infotainment display. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing your vehicle for a seamless connection. Once in the Settings menu, select the Bluetooth option. You will then see an option to Add New Device. Choose this to initiate the pairing process. Your Altima will now search for available Bluetooth devices. Look for your phone's name on the list that appears on the vehicle's screen and select it. This step is crucial for establishing the connection between your phone and the car. After selecting your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Altima's display. Verify that these numbers match exactly, then confirm the pairing request on your mobile device. Your phone might also ask for permission to access contacts and call history. Allow this for complete hands-free functionality. This ensures a secure and fully integrated connection for calls and audio. Congratulations! Your phone is now successfully connected to your Nissan Altima's Bluetooth system. You can now make and receive calls hands-free and stream your favorite audio. Adjust the volume conveniently using the steering wheel controls or the infotainment display. If you encounter any connection issues, simply delete the device from both your phone and the car, then restart the pairing process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.